If you are a new business owner and you want to get more customers online, then this video is for you. Stick around for the bonus tip at the end. Chances are that if you are watching this, you're only starting out or you have never done marketing for your business. This is a free guide as to where to get started and what to do in order to get customers for free online. In this video, I will show you all you need to be doing at the start of your business in order to get your products or services seen by potential customers. Our objective: get more brand awareness for your company and get more potential customers contacting you. I won't bore you with all the many details as to why you should be marketing your company. I will keep this simple and to the point. The main thing is, rather you sell a product or service, in this day and age, you need to have your business online, and here is why. Nowadays, everyone is online. So as you can imagine, if all your friends and family are online, I can 100% guarantee you that is where your potential customers will be also. I'm pretty sure everyone you know has a phone, a tablet, or a laptop. If they have any of these devices, they will no doubt have Facebook, Google, Instagram, or LinkedIn. I mention these four because these are the biggest social media platforms and you can use them for free to get your next customer. We want potential customers to be able to find us, see what we are offering, and contact us. With all that being said, let's get into it. Facebook and Instagram business pages. In order to create a business page on either platform, you will need a personal account first. If you don't already have these, go to www.facebook.com and www.instagram.com and set up a personal account first. Enter your email and name and follow the instructions. After you have set up a personal account, enter either account and follow the next steps. So we want to set up the Facebook business page first. I suggest you pause this video and follow the instructions. Now that you have a business page, enter in your contact details, opening times, pics of your products or services, add your logo and cover photo, make a Facebook post and share it to public groups. Invite your friends and ex-customers to like the page. You should also contact all customers and ask them to leave a review. This is very important when it comes to your social presence online, because when potential customers look up who you are, it's great to have the reviews there. And if you're looking for a group, you can post to our group, Sell Your Services Ireland, and we'll more than happy accommodate you and approve your post. Then go to Instagram and set up your Instagram business account. So pause this again, follow the instructions. So same again, now that you have a business page, enter all your contact details, opening times, pics of your products, services, etc. Add your logo and cover photo. The thing that's a little bit different here on Facebook, or on Instagram I should say, make an Instagram post and use the hashtags at the end that are relevant. So if you write out a post, basically at the very bottom put a hashtag. And as you can see there, like hashtag Kilkenny, hashtag Carlow, hashtag Dublin. If you can work in those areas, it's good to tag them so people from the area, they'll be able to see it. Now, to set up a Google My Business page and a LinkedIn business page. So in order to create a business page on Google My Business, you will need a Gmail account. For LinkedIn, you will need a personal account, just as you did at Facebook and Instagram. So if you don't already have these, go to www.gmail.com. You'll set up a Gmail account there. And for LinkedIn, go to www.linkedin.com and set up a personal account. And then after that, you'll be able to make a business page. Same again, put this on pause, follow the instructions. Step 2, follow the instructions, put it on pause. And then same again, just as you've done with the Facebook and Instagram. Now that you have a business page, enter your contact details, opening times, etc., etc., etc. So here's how you create your LinkedIn business page. Put on pause and follow the instructions. And just like that, you're all set. So now that you're all signed up to these 4 platforms, make a post about a job you did, a product or service you offer, Post in groups, showcase your work, and get customers from it. It's great that you now know what platforms to use, but now you have to look the part as well. So here's your bonus tip. Join canva.com. You can do so for free. It won't cost you a penny. So yeah, you can join for free and you can make professional looking posts, graphics, logos, pictures for your company. First impressions are important. If you don't look too professional online, potential customers might get the impression that you are not professional at what you do. So that's it, folks. Follow the instructions and get yourself out there. If you have any problems, it's very easy to look up how to do these on youtube.com. Just type in YouTube, how to set up a Facebook business page, and follow the instructions. It's very simple. And one last thing before you go. If you're looking to take your business to the next level, why not work with our award-winning marketing agency? We offer lead generation services by using these 4 channels to get you more customers. If that sounds like something you might be interested in, feel free to book a free consultation call on the blue button. We will bring you customers on autopilot.